Are you looking for the best quiet blenders? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best quiet blenders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1, Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance. The best quiet blender we've tested is the Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance. This very well built, high-end blender is much quieter than most full-size blenders we've tested, and it's still powerful enough to handle just about any blend. It comes with a 64-ounce jar and has a speed dial that gives you access to a wide range of speed settings and a few automatic blending programs. There's a 2-part lid for the jar, and it comes with an emulsion cup, which you can use to gradually add ingredients in a steady stream for recipes like mayonnaise or hollandaise sauce. It quickly liquefies fibrous ingredients like kale, even if you're working with a smaller batch, so it's a fantastic option for recipes like single-serve smoothies, especially because its relative quietness helps avoid waking up the whole house when you blend your morning smoothie or pre-workout shake. It has no problem crushing ice or blending mixtures like nut butter. It has a lightweight, fairly compact design for a full-size blender, and it's very easy to clean by hand. Number 2, Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Blender. Check out the Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Blender if you want a cheaper option. This blender isn't as versatile as the Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance, but it's even quieter, thanks to the noise dome, a plastic cover that goes over the blender to muffle the noise when it's running. Using the noise dome, it's one of the quietest blenders we've tested. It's only slightly louder than some battery-powered blenders with much weaker motors. It has a great build quality and a speed dial that lets you fine-tune the blending speed. It makes a smooth blend with fibrous ingredients like kale and broccoli, so it's a particularly good choice if you're looking for the best quiet blender for smoothies. However, for recipes like nut butter and ice cubes, you need to use the tamper to get the best results, which means you need to remove the noise dome, making the blender noticeably louder. Also, the pitcher has a 32-ounce blending capacity, which is small for a full-size blender and pretty limiting if you need to serve a crowd. Number 3, Ninja Professional Plus Blender. You don't necessarily have to pay a premium to find a relatively quiet blender. The Ninja Professional Plus Blender Duo with Auto IQ is a great option if you want something budget-friendly. It doesn't have the same fantastic blending performance as the previous picks, but it's still versatile and only somewhat louder than the Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Blender. It has a large capacity 72-ounce main pitcher, so it's better suited for multiple batches. There's also a 24-ounce personal jar and matching to-go lid meant for making single-serve drinks like smoothies. This blender doesn't make a completely smooth blend with fibrous fruits and vegetables using the main pitcher, so it's less ideal than the previous picks for bigger batches of smoothies and soups. However, using the personal jar, the blender can make a superb smoothie with additions like kale and blueberries. It also has no problem making snow like crushed ice. However, since it doesn't come with a tamper or 2-part lid, you must remove the lid to stir mixtures like nut butter to get the best results. The sharp blades make it hard to clean by hand, although the jars, lids, and blades are dishwasher safe. Number 4, Beast Health Blender. If you mainly use your blender for single serves like smoothies and protein shakes, consider the Beast Health Blender. It's expensive for a personal blender, but it's very quiet and powerful, making it worth considering if you're looking for a blender that won't hurt your ears first thing in the morning. It's well built and has a sleek, modern-looking design. The 32-ounce jar has a flat storage lid and a drinking lid with a screw-on cover and a handle, so you can easily carry it around. It has fantastic overall performance and is particularly well suited for smoothies since it can make a nearly perfect